friends, and welcome back again for another DIY video. This time I would like to share with you how I make my own sanitizing spray. It is actually a must-have for us, especially we always travel with a toddler. So we usually spray this every time we go to the grocery, we eat out. So we spray it everywhere basically. So if you want to know how I make it, please keep on watching. So for the first spray, I will be using this Thieves all-purpose cleaner and a distilled water. So for a 30 ml spray bottle, we'll just be needing about 5 ml of this Thieves household cleaner. So just this much. Okay. We don't need a lot because Thieves household cleaner is very concentrated. So, and then we pour in our water. Okay. Shake. And there you have it, our Thieves sanitizing spray using Thieves all-purpose cleaner. Sorry. You may also want to add a tea tree essential oil, maybe just 5 drops, because tea tree is also good in killing bacteria. Another way of creating your own Thieves spray is using your Thieves essential oil, emulsifier, and your distilled water. Also, as an option, you may also use your vodka. So in your 30 ml bottle, drop about 6 essential oils, let me open this one. Get everything. Okay. A little bit of your emulsifier. Okay. You may want to pour in or fill the bottle with distilled water, or you may also add a little bit of vodka. Your vodka will act as a preservative. So I want to just add a little. Okay. And then I'll be pouring in water. Fill in the entire bottle. Okay. Shake, and there you go. Another way of creating your Thieves sanitizing spray. So guys, that's about it for this video. I hope I have shared another great DIY, creating your own Thieves sanitizing spray. And if you want to avail of this premium starter kit, the link is in the description box. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day ahead. Bye!